Welcome back to another episode. This video is to show you how to change the steering wheel of E90. So stay tuned. Here's the car. This is the steering wheel I'm having now. Going to change to M Sport steering wheel. This one taken out from an old M Sport E90. I bought it from eBay and I managed to restore the trim over here. It was heavily damaged. I have done another video to show you how to restore this steering wheel. Before you doing anything at all, you must disconnect the negative terminal of battery. You are dealing with the airbags. So here is how the mechanism works. Put the screwdriver right in and you need to press it in. Now the airbag is loosened. Carefully remove the connection. I'm going to use the flat head. Just like that. Make sure you remove this connection. Right, that's the 16mm socket. What I do is I'm holding the steering wheel with my legs to prevent it moving, and then it's out. Now let's try and take it out. There you have it, simple as that. There you are. It goes there. Now they are back. It's all color coded. There you have it. Right, let's see how it drives. Feel good. Let's see if the buttons works. Yep. Well, I'm happy with the work. I'm happy with the wheel. All buttons are working. So it's all good to go. Thanks for watching.